Hi lovelies, welcome back to another review. It's Thursday, so today I have another nail drill review by MelodySusie to share with you guys. But of course, before I jump into the actual review, I have to give a huge shout out to my notification squad. You guys are awesome and I love and appreciate each and every one of you so much. These were the first 3 people to comment on my breast cancer awareness collaboration video with Madam Glam, and in case you missed that video, I would link it in my description box below. You guys can go ahead and check it out after. So if you want to be part of the notification squad, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video. So MelodySusie was kind enough to send these items over for me to review and share with you guys, and it turns out that they have just added some ceramic drill bit sets to their product line. So this one is the MelodySusie ceramic nail drill bit 5-piece set for acrylic and gel nails, which I think is pretty awesome. Now each shank size is 3/32 because that is the standard size for all MelodySusie e-files. So really quickly, let me just run through these bits with you guys. This is the torch cylinder top in a coarse grit. Now this will be perfect for removing your gel polishes. The other one is the large barrel top in a medium grit. Now this one is not a safety bit, so you definitely need to be careful with it, but trust me, I love using these types of drill bits around the cuticle area to seal that acrylic in really nicely to prevent any lifting. So the next bit that I have to share with you guys is the barrel ball top in a fine grit. Now this one is a safety bit, so for those of you who are unsure about using the large barrel one, definitely look into this one because of the safety feature on it. You're not going to be able to cut or nip your clients in any way. And we have this umbrella top fine grit. Now this is the first time that I'm actually seeing this one, and I really think it's so cute because it's just so tiny, and I'm not exactly sure what I would use this for, but we'll figure it out. I'm not going to use it in the video today, and when I do find a use for it, I will definitely let you guys know. But last but not least is one of my favorites. This is the small flame drill bit in a medium grit, and I love this type of drill bit now for my cuticle prep. Like, it is the bomb. So I would definitely have this set featured on my Amazon storefront. It resembles the McCart drill bit set as well, so either one is absolutely perfect. Okay guys, so let me finally introduce her to you. This is the MelodySusie Scamander Rechargeable Nail Drill, and on the box it just has the MelodySusie logo, their slogan, which is bring your beauty salon home, and their website. And the box is your standard modern pink, black and white MelodySusie color blocking box, and this is actually the smallest package that I've ever received from MelodySusie in size of the box. Like, this box is just a little bit bigger than the palm of my hands, and it is just so cute. So let me go ahead and take everything out of the box, and I'm going to run through it with you guys one time. So the first thing I have here is my user manual, and one thing I do love about the MelodySusie user manuals is that it comes in more than one language. So in this case we do have 3 different languages, so definitely you want to run through your user manual so you know how your machine functions, how it works, the charging features, basic information that you need to know. Yes, I am going to be running through it in the video, but in case I leave anything out, you guys, if you purchase it, run through your user manual so that you know exactly what to do, because it may seem like a regular plug and play, but you know, you always need to get that information in. So this is the MelodySusie information card, which consists of their customer service info, their warranty info and their social medias. So if you guys are interested in this, then definitely go ahead and pause the video and have yourself a read. So there she is. I know she's not a stranger to the YouTube screen. A few people have revealed this before, and if you guys follow me or MelodySusie on Instagram, you would have seen it there as well. This is a digital, rechargeable, portable e-file. So I'm just going to leave her in this little styrofoam case while I go ahead and take everything else out of the box. So first thing I grab is my handpiece, and as you guys can see, it is the curl and straight cord, and this just looks like the same handpiece that we have in the Scarlett drill, which I absolutely love. This handpiece, like, no joke, it is so comfortable in your hand, and you do have that little tiny plug just like the Scarlett drill. So I absolutely love and appreciate that it's nothing big, bulky, and you know, it's just cute. Keep everything cute. So inside of this box, ooh, okay, so this one does come with the silicone stand to rest your handpiece on, and it is purple and adorable. And you also have this little holder which goes into the side of the drill, and I'll show you guys in a minute. If you decide to clip it onto your belt or your apron or anything like that, it does come with the diamond set of files, and as you guys know, I don't use those drill bits. I only use the actual barrel for my sanding bands. And of course we have a US adapter. I am so living for this gloss black and white finish. So on the front of the drill, you do have the MelodySusie logo and your digital display screen. On top right here is where your handpiece is going to be plugged in, and this silver dial here controls the power and the speed of your drill. So it does charge at the bottom, and on the left side of the drill you have your forward and reverse. The clip on the back, as you guys can see, is made of plastic, but it does feel like a very high quality material and it's not going to break easy. And on this side is where that clear plastic handpiece holder is going to be attached. So I'm going to plug in the handpiece now, and you guys need to make sure that it lines up perfectly with those 3 holes. If not, it's not going to fit in. So let's go ahead and power this on. You do have your battery indicator on screen, and this does have enough charge for me to do this entire video, so I'm not going to plug it in today. But I really wish that they had put a screen protector across the digital display so that it didn't get scratched in the box. There are some hairline scratches on it. It's not like outright noticeable, but that is just something I would like to suggest for the future. So this is the first e-file that I have used, like the portable rechargeable ones. Like once I turn it on, it doesn't start right away, which is the handpiece doesn't start going right away. Now this drill is a 30,000 RPM, and it is really not that loud at all. It does remind me everything as the Scarlett drill that I reviewed for you guys. This is full power. There is very little vibration, and I know you guys can hear me, and I'm not even speaking loudly or anything like that. So I did put this drill to the test. I'm going to show you guys the demo of me prepping my client's nails right now, and then I'm going to come back and give you my final thoughts and let you know if I think that this drill is worth the buy. So now it is time for my final thoughts on this MelodySusie Scamander rechargeable nail drill. Now, before I go any further, I want to let you guys know, honestly speaking, I received this package an entire month now. And I recorded the intro and the unboxing on camera to share with you guys, but I wanted to make sure that this drill was legit, so I rather test it on my side to make sure that everything is perfect before I recommend it to you guys. And let me tell you, I needed to make sure that this thing would hold up in a salon environment, and it did not disappoint. It works to this day, and it's doing its thing. I absolutely love it. It is so adorable, and the quality of it is on point. So I definitely recommend this nail drill 100%. So if you guys are interested, check the link in the description box below, and I will also include my MelodySusie coupon code for those of you who are interested in purchasing. So that is the end of my review. I really and truly hope that it was helpful and informative, and if it was, please give this video a big thumbs up and go ahead and click on that subscribe button down below. And why not join the notification squad? Just click on the bell right next to that big red button to turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss out when your girl uploads a new video. So I'm going to leave you guys right here. As always, I would love for you guys to stay glamorous, be safe, and I'll see you soon.